Have you ever wondered what the life of a truck driver is over the road and with the family? Well, today in this video, we're going to show you how over-the-road truck drivers, or maybe some local truck drivers with long hours, long shifts, long days, go through life with a family waiting for them at home. So let's cut straight to it. Hey, what's up, everybody? So I'm on my way home from a long shift of going to basically Niagara Falls, New York. After that, headed back to Newark, and then now I'm on my way home for some home time with this bad little thing. I mean, she is a baddie with a fatty, you know? So that's what it is to be an over-the-road truck driver. Enjoy your time, your home time. I'm telling you. Days out on the road of loneliness or boredom. Let's say boredom, because loneliness is like, you know, over-exaggerated. But boredom. Enjoy that home time. Anyway, catch you on the next clip. Hey, yo, I never knew me buying a truck would end up me fixing my truck, learning how to fix trucks, steady buying parts, always at the damn Camera Supply Freightliner store. I'm telling you, I done learned how to be a diesel mechanic buying a truck. It's like a blessing and a curse all in one. But yeah, you live and you learn. And I'm already learning from my old mistakes that I made, so I ain't gotta make them again. So it's like a blessing in disguise kind of situation. But yeah, I just bought me a part. It's the, what is it? The crankcase breather. $475 for a fucking piece of plastic. Shit don't make no sense. Yeah. God bless America. So today we are fixing the breather. It's called the crankcase breather. I removed it yesterday. It's this spot right there. I removed it. going to try to clean up this spot with some cat litter or absorb some of the oil with the cat litter so I could go start working on it. All right. Try to spread it as much as I can. So right now I'm gonna take some brake cleaner and clean the area off as much as I can. Get all that residue off of there. Now I'm gonna grab the breather. This is a brand new breather. It comes with the hose. And this is the core. I bought a new sensor, new gasket, and I kept the screw for the sensor as well. So let's try to set this up. Okay, we have completed our task today. We have put back the crankcase. Some people call it breather, oil filter. So we put the tube back into place, which is a pain. New sensor, plugged it back in, and 2 bolts right there, and then another 2 bolts on the other side. And voila. It was leaking from back there, so that needed to be replaced, and spilled oil everywhere. So trying to clean up a little bit, and that is another part added to the truck. As always, we are trying to add healthy components to the truck so this thing can run forever. Now I have to check the oil to make sure everything is all right and refill it if it's low. All right, catch you on the next video, everybody. Later. Out here in Ohio today, we are doing something simple as picking up a chassis. Boom. All the way to Jersey, 500 and something miles. So nice and easy run. Yeah. So let's get to it. Okay, so I fixed that already. So now we're fixing that. It is some type of injector line. But I have to unscrew the valve and clean off soot off of the internal thing that's going straight into the one box. So let's go ahead. I have a 12. I loosen up the 14 nut, take the line out, and now I'm gonna loosen up the actual valve inside and get it out of there and clean it up. We'll check it out. Now after cleaning that sensor part or valve, whatever it is, I'm performing a park regen to basically see if the temperatures go back to what it's supposed to be and hopefully kicks this code out of what it is. So let's see what happens after we're done doing the regen. So in this video, we are removing the evaporator valve. Evaporator expansion valve. This goes on top. These screws go underneath it into that. And there's a 13mm bolt that also goes underneath it. Now that sounds all easy and dandy, right? But the location is right there next to the cabin filter. I have to stick my fingers and find the angled thing to fit right in between there. So right now we're gonna put it all together and get this thing working. It is 86 degrees out here in Jersey. Yeah, let's get it. Mission complete. Brand new expansion valve. I ain't seen a single YouTube video on it how to take that bolt off and this off and that off. So here you go.
You're getting that flick ready.
Getting that flick ready.
Make sure you don't get the chip of that.
Nah, all right, cheers.
Cheers.
Do you want me to? You can't drink that. It's okay.
No, you first. You big boy.
But